Hello, thank you for joining me in introducing SFU FAS Co-op program to you. My name is Yumi, a Co-op Career Advisor, and I'll be guiding you through some information about Co-op. I'm one member out of a team of 25 staff. We're here to assist you with your Co-op journey. What is Co-op? Co-op is about gaining real-world work experience while learning new skills. It is also about using your skills and knowledge you learn from your courses to the job, and then bringing your new skills from your job back to the classroom. Plus, you get paid. The duration of co-op has a minimum of 420 hours per term. A co-op term is 4 months. Work terms are typically 4 or 8 months. You should have the intention of completing 3 co-op work terms before you graduate. The location of your job can be in Vancouver, across Canada, and even internationally in the US and overseas. You're not taking courses while you're working, as you'll be working full-time hours. There are different criteria for engineering and computing science students. This is only a general overview. Check your program's co-op website for specific information. For example, for engineering, it is mandatory for you to complete co-op. In your first year, you will complete a course with Bridging Online 1. Typically, students will start the co-op process in their second year, and you'll receive an email with information and instructions about how and when to self-enroll directly into co-op. For computer science, this is an optional program for you. Students can apply for co-op after they've completed more than 30 credits. You should have a CGPA of 2.5 or above. If you meet the above 2 criteria, then submit your co-op application online. Then you'll receive further information and instructions with your next steps. Keep in mind, there is a 2-term process before your potential first work term. This is an example of a typical process for a computing science student who would like to work during summer 2022. Now you have completed 30 credits and you're ready to apply to co-op. So in fall 2021, you can submit your online application, and once you're accepted, you can take an online 2-week course called Bridging Online 1. Then for international students, at this time you will need to apply for your co-op work permit, as you cannot work in Canada without a valid work permit. Next, the following steps you'll be working on and learning about creating your cover letter, resume, and interview skills. You will be working with your coordinator and potentially with the advisors on improving your documents, making sure they're ready for the co-op application process. Once your documents are ready, then you're ready to apply to jobs directly on our jobs database. Spring 2022, this will be your seeking term, where you will be applying to jobs and going on interviews while you're taking courses. Once you secure a job, you'll start working the following term in summer 2022. You may be thinking, who are the employers and what companies will I be applying to? Here's a very small snapshot of our recent top hiring employers in FAS. Some of these local and global employers you may know or heard of: SAP, Electronic Arts, Sierra Wireless, Google. Plus, you can also find your own job outside of our database as well. Here's an example of one employer who have hired multiple co-op students in a variety of positions available. Avigilon. They design, develop, and manufacture AI-powered security solutions. A few job examples are systems engineer, IT help desk, software developer, data analyst. Here's some fun facts. Here are some statistics from 2019. 3,307 jobs were posted in My Experience, which is our jobs database. 1,699 newly hired students. 3,216 students applied to Seek. The job locations were in Lower Mainland, across Canada, and overseas in Spain, Germany, Hong Kong, and also in the US in Seattle, New York, or even Silicon Valley. More than half of our jobs are posted at the beginning of the term, but you do have all term to find your co-op job. And there are no shortage of jobs, but you have to do the work and put in your effort if you want to secure a job. Finally, I will go through a few highlights of benefits for joining and completing co-op. You have access to hundreds, if not over 1,000, relevant job postings each term. You gain valuable hands-on and industry experience, an opportunity to start building your network and get excellent references. Many students receive job offers before they graduate, and the likelihood of you finding a full-time job after graduation is very high. This is a chance for you to try out different types of jobs in companies. You will be paid competitive industry wages. For example, first work term students' average wage per hour is about $17 to $22 per hour. When you successfully complete 3 co-op work terms, you will receive a co-op designation on your diploma. I am sure you may still have some questions, and we welcome you to visit our websites. And for the Burnaby undergraduate programs, there are FAQ pages available to you. Please see the links here. Here's some contact information for Surrey programs. We welcome you to join us to take the first steps in your work journey. Thank you.